Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Afifah binti Ludin and my group members is Khairul Shafifi binti Samri, Nur Mahira binti Muhammad Yusuf, and Nur Hafawati binti Ibrahim. We would like to share about information system in Malayan banking Berhad, and as you know, it is a Maybank. Chapter 1 is Introduction to Malayan banking Berhad.
Okay, first is the overview. This is the logo of Maybank. Established in 1960, Maybank is the largest financial services group in Malaysia with an established presence in the Asian region. Maybank provides a full suite of conventional and Sharia-compliant products and services in commercial banking, investment banking, and insurance. Maybank currently operates in over 2,400 branches across 20 countries, including all 10 Asian countries. Maybank broad physical and digital reach enables to offer an array of unique financial solutions and innovative services based on cutting-edge technology and at fair terms and pricing to their customers. Maybank remains steadfast in their focus to deliver the next generation customer experience to their growing clients across Asia and around the world to reach their goal of becoming the digital bank of choice in the region. To ensure sustainability of the Maybank Group, they are cognizant of their commitment to environmental, social and governance, which is ESG, as they strive towards meeting their business targets and delivering on their mission. ESG is the best practices in their operations and progress towards meeting their sustainability plans, in track and reported every day. Next is history of Maybank. Malayan Banking Berhad was founded by Malaysian business tycoon Hu Tejwat. Maybank is the holding company that the largest bank in the Malaysia. It is also a range of financial sector subsidiaries and offers a full range of commercial, corporate and private banking services with a network of more than 450 branch offices and more than 2,500 ATM machines. Maybank, commonly known, that has built a strong position in the regional market. The company operates more than 20 branches in Singapore and the Philippines and also has a banking presence in most of the other Southeast Asian markets including Brunei, Papua New Guinea, Indonesia and Vietnam. The bank also operates branches in New York and London. In addition, Maybank operates a number of specialized subsidiaries in the insurance, investment banking and asset management, also finance sectors. And then we move to the vision and mission of Maybank. Maybank's vision is advancing Asia's ambition with you, which is to be a regional financial services leader. Maybank's mission is humanizing financial services across Asia and fulfill customers' ambition by building trusted relationships that last for generations through thick and thin. They believe that treating all stakeholders fairly and in simplifying financial solutions. Maybank humanizes financial services by providing the people with convenient access to financing, having fair terms and pricing, advising customers based on their needs and being at the heart of community. Next is strategy of Maybank. Maybank embarked on Maybank 2020 on January 2016, which builds on their achievements from the past transformation journey and elevates their strategic play towards year 2020 by further tapping on opportunities around the Asian region and growing together with Asia's ambitions. The Maybank 2020 strategy is guided by the following strategic objective, which is the top Asian community bank, the leading Asian wholesale bank linking Asia, the leading Asia insurer, the global leader in Islamic finance and digital bank of choice. First is the top Asian community bank, which is they aim to be a leading retail and commercial financial services provider in Asia, leveraging on their regional presence, banking expertise and growth opportunities in Asia. Second is the leading Asian wholesale bank linking Asia, which is they aspire to be a trusted Asian financial partner that links Asia by leveraging on the Asian leadership capabilities to deliver client solutions across Asia. Third is the leading Asian insurer. They aim to be a leading Asian insurer by leveraging on synergies between Maybank's regional banking footprint and Etiqa's expertise in takaful and bancassurance. Next is the global leader in Islamic finance. They plan to continue delivering innovative client-centric universal financial solutions, building on their global leadership in Islamic finance. And lastly is digital bank of choice. They aspire to be the digital bank of choice by putting their customers' preferences first and transforming to deliver next generation customer experience.
Next, we move to Chapter 2, which is Information System in Maybank. Information system is an integrated set of components for data collection, storage and processing, as well as information, knowledge and digital products provisioning. In order to carry out and manage their operations, interact with their clients and suppliers, and compete in the marketplace, business firms and other organizations are rely on information system. To run inter-organizational supply chains and electronic markets, information systems are used. Corporations, for example, use information systems to process financial accounts, manage their human resources, and use online promotions to reach their potential customers. These include eBay, a largely auction marketplace, such as Amazon, a growing electronic mall and cloud computing services providers such as Alibaba, an e-marketplace for business to business, and also Google, a search engine company that derives most of its revenue from internet search keyword advertising. In order to provide service cost effectively to citizens, governments deploy information system. Information system deliver digital goods such as electronic books, video products, software and online services such as gaming and social networking. Then we move to the description of information system available in Maybank. The flowchart below shows the organization's capabilities and how various departments run Maybank. And also there is 4 main operation done in Maybank, which is to serve the customer. The newest IT system used to serve customer of Maybank is mobile banking, which can satisfy and serve customer, eliminating the tiresome and time-conscious paperwork system. And so, clients don't have to come to the Maybank and can ask for the balance, do transactions, get loans, complain, deposit, and more. Then we continue to the next flowchart. This system used for customer in Maybank allow customer in these organizations to process and facilitate their services. For the dual purpose of providing expert information technology and exemplary customer satisfaction, the Maybank system was created. This Maybank Auto Credit System, or MAS system, processes payments to Maybank accounts, other bank accounts, and banker check with either multiple or single credit. Maybank customer system is also backed by a full-time and fully invested team of engineers. In particular, Maybank system employs engineers who are able to maintain the high level of customer service and satisfaction to the bank is proud of. The engineers are complemented by a full-time sales and marketing staff to best serve the bank's needs. Next, we move to types of information available in Maybank. By using 3 main types of banking system, the Maybank organization provides loan, provide insurance, save money and make transactions for clients, businesses and other organizations such as bank service, online banking and mobile banking. The Maybank online banking system is one of the primary types of IS. It can be categorized as intermediate cyber bank to advanced cyber bank, where their account can be consulted online by users or clients. Maybank is therefore highly dependent on the IT system, but the main system is still face-to-face or at the bank. Maybank should use more online banking and mobile system than the first system in order to improve data security and to serve customer faster. For both customer and the bank, this will be a win-win situation. In Maybank, the information system is the most important key since all operations in this bank are carried out with the support of the information system. ATM, credit cards, and electronic data are stored in the computers, for example, and all of them are managed by the information system or IS. It is used in Maybank to support business operations and aid decision-making management. In addition, IS operates the bank transaction processing, office management system, and business collaboration system. Then we proceed to the descriptions of system IS in Maybank. At Maybank, the IS structure consists of hardware, software, IT staff, and a security system. The Maybank online banking system is one of the primary types of IS. It can be categorized as intermediate cyberbank to advanced cyberbank, where online user or customer can consult their account by using CDM, which is cash deposit machine, ATM, and book machine update, and also provides a transactional website where customer can transfer money, pay bills, and purchase financial services at maybanktoyou.com. A user can do the transaction on his or her own self while on the external online system. Using an ATM machine, for example, user A can withdraw with his or her money anywhere as long as it is within the bank network. Besides, Maybank will take responsibility for the scheme by using the ISD system unit. In addition to frequent system inspection, the unit also keep in touch with the new technology as ICT is growing rapidly. Due to unauthorized disclosure by personnel, hackers, and carelessness, this unit is able to detect any computer fraud. Major fraud at Maybank Finance Berhad have never occurred so far. The system provides many functions that make it easier for users to use banking processes. A user can do a few things through the system, such as accounts and banking, investments, insurance, loans, and etc., such as mobile banking, personal details, online purchases, bills, and declarations. Next, we continue. The hardware system consists of e-commerce IT infrastructure, such as supercomputer, Power Connect, Power Vault, and Dell computer that has been used by Maybank. E-commerce is a business transaction that takes place in Maybank over the internet and online banking system, making it easier. For example, if users use Maybank online banking, all these business and transactions can be done and paid at home. While the Maybank Auto Credit System (MAS) processes payment to Maybank accounts, other bank accounts, and bankers' check with either multiple or single credit. Besides, a team of full-time and fully invested engineers previously holding positions in such enterprising environments as International Shipping, South Carolina Research Authority with government-funded research, and ASO with State University System are also supporting Maybank system for customer. Then the software system of IT structure in Maybank is needed for the organization. The software system consists of Cyclo software. The function of the system we have chosen MAS is to provide customer services with good quality that helps them get the best at all times. It allows for various payment formats that support payments from other banks as well. The Cyclo's online banking software structure is entirely dynamic. There are many features in the Cyclo that are helpful for stimulating economic development and job creation. With additional modules such as e-commerce and communication tools, the Cyclos offers a complete online payment system. Besides, the Cyclos platform offers banking services to institutions such as local banks and MFI that can stimulate local trade and development. In addition, this system is practical and user-friendly, allowing everyone to train and work with it. In short, the Maybank online banking system is the easiest way for individuals to conduct bank operation because it saves time and effort. Maybank also makes it easy for individuals to just go to the ATM machine to apply for this service and follow the instruction. The system offers a lot of advantages over disadvantages that make the system trust individuals. In recent years, the impact of the system has been apparent through the increase in users. By facilitating their transaction scheme, it also affected companies and businesses.
We move to Chapter 3, Information System Applications Performance. This chapter will discuss the SWOT analysis of online banking system. There are few strengths of online banking system in Maybank. First, Maybank is the first bank who introduced internet banking in Malaysia. Second, a user-friendly website provided by Maybank is the pioneer for internet banking that allow customers to get updated information and provide customer feedback instead of doing money transaction. Third, Maybank is the first bank to provide instant international money transfer service available through Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Brunei, Philippines, Cambodia, and Pakistan, which is more convenient for their customer to do money transaction all around the world. Fourth, proactive initiative and continuous investments in internet banking have acquired for Maybank more than half the Malaysian online market. Customers find Maybank to you attractive because of the ability to pay for purchases online. There are also few weaknesses that were found. First is generally online banking is secure, but certainly not always secure. It is because identity theft is running widespread and banks are by no means accepted. Second, not all online transactions are fast. Online banking is subject to the same business day parameters as traditional banking. Thus, printing out and keeping receipts is still very vital even when banking online. Third, online customer service can be below the quality than face-to-face customer service. Although it employs a dedicated customer service department for online users, going through the feared telephone menu can still be irritating. Fourth weaknesses is inefficient service because Maybank does not have bank systems be automated with built-in security features to verify their customers' accounts and details without having to rely on a piece of physical paper with a signature.
Opportunity. It can build up productivity by getting to worldwide monetary markets for securing reserve efficiently and send store judiciously. Maybank have the chance to development in online banking that will build the client base. They can expand utilization of internet banking as moderate clients and individuals will in general accomplish a greater amount of their exchange and banking exercises online, whereas a few instances can be accommodated organization and association through online framework. Maybank can do headway in innovation to offer better types of assistance which will result to acquire clients. Threats. Maybank has main contenders, for example, Public Bank, CIMB Bank, Hong Leong Bank, RHB Bank, HSBC Bank, and Citibank. The danger of existing rivals in the e-banks is high as they are utilizing the idea of purpose of equality. The client of Maybank consistently worries with the security issue of web-based banking. For example, data will be captured by programmer. The changes in monetary arrangements in Southeast Asian nations and current macroeconomic situation across the worldwide will influence the bank efficiently.
Based on the main weakness and threat of the information system that was implemented by Maybank, we have come out with some recommendation and action plan. First, Maybank need to enhance customer perception. Customers are more likely to use or continue to use online banking when they perceive online banking as a secure mode of banking. Maybank should consider these efforts to overcome customers' worries toward online banking security. Second, Maybank should clearly demonstrate concern for security by putting in place measures and policies that might enable them gain their customers' trust, such as frequently providing them with easy-to-read information on how to be safe online and how to keep their computers and other equipment they use for online banking updated. However, there are some actions that customers can do themselves to help keep their online banking information safe. First, customers must choose strong and unique passwords. Using personal information such as name, address, or birth date, short password, and not updating password regularly are the common mistakes in online banking customers. Password should be longer, such as a phrase rather than a single word. Use mix of upper and lowercase letters and include numbers and special characters are the tips to create stronger password. Number 4, customers should update online banking passwords regularly. For example, every 3 to 6 months can help lower the chance of the password being stolen or decoded by hackers. Number 5, customers should avoid using public Wi-Fi because it is the best way to protect online banking information. Security risks of public Wi-Fi include man-in-middle attacks, which hackers can eavesdrop our online banking and other online activity. Number 6, customers can set up a virtual private network or VPN, which creates a private network that only us can access. It can be set up through both laptop and mobile phone. Number 7 is sign up for banking alerts, as it is the easiest way to stay on top of our banking activity and to monitor security. Kind of alerts that can be set up include notifications for password change alerts, failed login alerts, new credit and debit transactions, and outgoing wire transfer alerts. This method can prevent any fraudulent activity, as we can notify the bank right away that our online banking details have been compromised. Last but not least, customers may enable two-factor authentication. It allows to add a second layer of security verification to log in to online banking account. This approach definitely will make it harder for an identity theft or hackers to unlock customers' banking account.